Sneeze.
Go on, boy.
You won't come out. What's that green light for?
Which one?
You want to look at the camera? It hurts my eyes.
I'm trying to, I'm trying to get you when you sneeze.
Mexicans.
Balls.
What is it? Come on, Lou. Sneeze.
Lou, come on.
Sneeze or you die.
What's that?
Joanna's going to shoot you with there.
Shoot. Man.
Cock and balls and tubes.
Out. Come in.
Until substitute Nathan Lands deservedly performed back for Vale to set up a nerve-jangling finish.
Go on, think of it.
Go on, Lou. Go on, Lou.
Oh,
Welsh had a handful
You won't come out, man.
If I tickle you like that,
No.
change for something.
Feather.
Villa was through the fifth round for the first time in 6
You get a
years.
feather.
No, I know. It makes you see most. Sorry about this, John, man. It's horrible.
Go, let me sneeze.
No, yeah.
Go on, boy.
Have you
Go on.
Tickle yourself.
You know you want to, don't
Do this.
Stoke only in round 3, they're pushing to 16, slightly less stressful.
Come in.
Come on.
Sadidi made the most of
Come
the
in.
first half pressure.
There's no.
I can see
Do
it.
again, do again.
I can see
Do
it.
again.
Yeah. Be good.
Go.
Come on.
Feather, yeah.
Oh.
Look at the size of that feather.
Somebody else is going to do it.
You wait. Have you got it, John?
Close range. Their dreams of making round 5 disturbed in 5 years.
He's coming.
It's not coming.
He's coming, he's coming.
I can feel it.
It's a force there, right? You blew his feather around.
It won't make my eyes water. We're going to get a new one.
He's got a pillow full of them.
Oh.
Where is it?
He's a man in form.
Stick a
Come on.
pen. Stick a pen up your nose again.
In the end, it's after I was lofted into the box.
No, there's a blade on that.
Looking around and he's looking for scraps.
Stick something up there.
Stick something up your nose.
But it goes in. His second one as well is a deflection, but again, he's not hitting it.
Stick pennies and stuff in his nose.
Got a bit of luck again, but
Still cooler.
Don't put it too far.
Watch that doesn't got to know what to buy.
Oh, she doesn't look, you know.
I'm not going to take you to the hospital.
We're fair that we know.
Got the feather up my nose.
You want pussy?
You can do it, you can do it.
I'll get it this time.
between these two.
No, because I had hurt.
Oh, stop, babe.
I got a bit.
Right, do it. You can do it.
Everton
My nose.
Duncan Ferguson on Chelsea, the only survivor of their
No,
company
hold up. Again.
No,
Don't flick
go in
it.
there.
Don't stiff it up.
Everton are not only without Beattie, but also Cahill,
Is it really?
Ferrari, Yobo,
You do the elastic band thing.
Get ready, because it's just going to go
Right.
and it'll be gone.
Stick up your nose.
We need a
No.
we need a cheer after it,
You
right?
can do that, yeah.
What?
For the string.
No.
Used to be able to do it.
I've never done that.
Before, stick it up your nose and...
No.
You're going to miss
Not
this.
me. Sorry.
You're going to miss this, he said, with the feather.
Come on, Lou.
Why
Concentrate.
is it all? It's just a sneeze.
This is torch of him. Dig his eyes.
It's stupid feather.
When that sneeze comes out, Lou, it's going to feel so good.
Oh no!
Come on, I'll do
You
it.
just smell it.
Sniff that.
I'll do it, you do.
Sniff it up your nose.
Pass here.
Right, what? Did you
Put up
put
your
what
nose.
you?
Does that work?
So you put it... Yeah.
Yeah, of course it does. Big time.
Does it?
Sniff it.
Loads of it.
Yeah. Sniff that up your nose. What I was saying. Oh, well, this, right, it's going right up to your nose. Dab it
Oh,
up your nose. Dab it.
Come in.
Put it up your nose. Up your nose.
Oh!
Up
She
it.
was a video on that.
Put it up your nose.
Chili va? Kolla som chili.
Kolla rätt i nos.
Ska det gå? Det är fast.
Under Andy.
Okay.
Åh men!
Burns, man. Stop it, Steve.
Släpp fast. Vad gör?
No, it's burning, man. It doesn't make a sense.
Stephen, don't burn his nose.
It's coming, it's coming.
Still in my nostril.
Ja.
Stephen!
It's okay, he's done now, man.
Where should it go?
You sneeze it up, man. You sucked it up.
Ah, burn.
Nice.
Tasty.
Stephen, stop it.
I've done anything now.
Leave him alone then.
Are you gonna sneeze, Lou?
No, I don't so.
It's just burning, man.
Is it gone now, is it?
Blow it
Sneeze
out.
is gone, is it?
Blow it out with the tissue. Blow this pepper out.
Ah, there's a bitch. Oh, look at that.
You're disgusting. What are you doing in there?
No, I waited for the sneeze. Is it gonna come, Lou?
It's blown out again.
It's gone, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well and truly.
Jag har fått en liten chans.
No.
His balls.
Just a smile, Lou.
No, yeah.
On your ears.
Tissue, man.
Now one in your ears.
The incredible tissue, man.
Yeah.
You'll be to breathe now.
You see, say now.
It's a sneezing.
Oh, it's gonna come now. It's gonna blow those things up, don't you?
Go on.
That'd be hilarious.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's gone.
It was a shame.
Every time I pep up my nose, that's it. It's like about 15 sneezing.
It's gonna what?
Pepper. It's just sneeze.
Is it?
No, pepper doesn't make it sneeze. Burns your nose.
Just make them sneeze.
It's supposed to.
Different kind of pepper, man. It's just grains of it.
Look into the light, Lou. Always works for me at best. Come in.
You see what I see.
Sounds
Spin it out.
Is it coming?
At least my nose is clear.
Yeah.
That's why you don't want to sneeze anymore, is it?
Did Chelsea lose against Everton?
Oh, we're wrong.
Johnson forward. Carlton Cole is there.
See, there's some up there.
Spin it up here.
Get it up there, get up there now.
Pepper, you mean?
Out by Weir. Joe Cole. Ian Robin.
Oh, where's the bitch?
Oh, what a miss.
It's good deal.
Crespo. Misses from 6 yards.
How do they know? Measuring tape.
He wasn't offside.
He's got it in his cap down.
Send them, send them.
The quality of Andy Crespo. It really is. This is a sitter.
So you're gonna sneeze, Lou?
He's nearly missed the stand, let alone
Lou.
the goal.
It's got it.
It's coming, is it? You sure? So I can hold this camera much longer.
It's coming.
It's
come in. You're going to miss Suit as well.
Trying to run away from Naismith. He's found out that Crespo.
Oh.